Alright, now that we know the types of costs, let's talk about how to organize them in our inputs sheet. In Module 1, we put everything into one big table, which was fine for a start. But the professional way is to separate your inputs into logical groups. This makes your model so much easier to read, update, and audit. We're going to follow the golden rule we learned in Module 1. So, keep your inputs, blue font, separate from your calculations, black font. Our inputs sheet should only contain inputs, while all calculations will happen on other sheets. Now, let's restructure our input sheet for Greenleaf Bakery into 3 clean tables as follows: Assumptions table, Variable costs table, and Fixed costs, overheads, table. 1. Assumptions table. This holds key drivers that might change, like the exchange rate or a sales growth assumption. This is how to set it up in your Excel sheet. 2. Variable cost table. This will list all the costs associated with producing 1 unit of our product. Watch how to set it up. 3. Fixed costs, overheads, table. This will list all our monthly recurring expenses that must be paid. Here's how it should look on your inputs sheet. See how much cleaner and explanatory the input sheet is? Everything has its own place. If the rent increases, you know exactly where to go to update it, and you don't have to hunt through a giant table. Now, it's your turn to update your model workbook. Go to your inputs sheet in the greenleaf_bakery_financial_model.xlsx file you created in Module 1. Delete the old, single table and recreate these 3 separate tables exactly as shown above. Don't forget to apply the formatting rules from Module 1, blue font for all the numbers. Now that you've got your input sheet ready, the next step is to set up validation rules for our inputs.